Uprising Perspective.
And we Uprising Perspective, we borrow the brilliant mind, the brilliant legal mind yamfoka kwethu uMpumelelo Zikalala oyisazi somthetho. Yena ke sesithatha ukuhlale naye la. Njengoba nazi ke ukuthi kuleli sonto is National Wheels Week. So ayikho into ehlupha njengokuthi ke umuntu mesehambile. Anisakwazi nokugriva kahle ngoba sefanele quickly kuhlokaniswa amafa, but ayikho incwadi yewheel ehlokanisa kahle amafa. So kuleli sonto ke siqhakambisa ukubaleka kokwenza amawheel, but nakhona ke kuyinto edinga umthetho ukuthi uma kwenziwa amawheel. So ngaleyo ndlela ingakhona sike siqome ukuthi simeme umuntu owazi kabanzi ngomthetho. Sithatha intambo siyiphose lapha kuzakwethu ke owazi kabanzi ngomthetho. Mpumelelo siyakubingelela baba Zikalala. Sesiyazi ke ukuthi fanele sikubingelele ngendlela esinesizotha nendlela yokukhuluma ngayo namhlanje. Ingakho ngihambile ngawolanda umqhele wami nami ngawufaka ukulingisa wena. Nendandathi khona esandleni la ukuthi sikhuluma nomnumzane manje oganiwe ovula isibala sikayise wakhipha inkomo uhambisa komunye umuzi wabanika isithwebhu bathi bayihole umhlambi bawufaka esibayeni. Congratulations sir.
Yes bonga. Mosana ungenza ngiflash kibe ngemoya.
Mabese nabanathemba aphelile amathemba kulaba bese amathemba.
Usho bathi umnyango uvaleke.
Utheni baba. Mfowethu amawheel abalekile sibonile kuba ngo-forum emalokishini kuze kuphume imphefumulo kwesinye isikhathi. Kwesinye isikhathi xoshwa ingane xoshwa ukuthi hambani buyele nina komalume nibona abala ekhaya kube nje omunye unemfuyo unamakhosikazi amaningi, omunye uneyingane ayithole eseseshadile vele, omunye uneyingane ayenazo before. Kuningi kunje khona kwasemsebenzini khona kuyempesheni khona okwani ibiwheel yini wheel ibaleke ngani wheel idraftwa kanjani wheel enjani wheel engasebenzi qualify kanjani awusithatha usibeke
nguthandilula wakho aduvule ngalade kuthiwa khona draft a valid wheel ochaza ukuthi ungaba nayo wheel ingabi valid if ukuthi there are certain things that you haven't complied with. Kunomthetho okubiza nge-Wheels Act oyichazayo ukuthi ayibe kanjani, uzothi uqala ayibhalwe phansi. So lese ke sikubone kuma move umuntu record ayisebenzi leyo
la South Africa.
Cha ayisebenzi leyo, ngeke uyithathe nje video uthi wakhuluma uthumbe ezemuzikela wathatha.
So akubona AI phela manje
sekonakele sifuna into ebhalwe phansi. Each and every single page must be initialed by the person who's the draft of the will. Nabantu abawo-witness aba-witness ukuthi kubhalweni kodwa aba-witness sekutheni ema-initials zami lawa khona. Kodwa mhlawumbe sibuye siqale lana ukubaleka kwayo ukuthi kubaleka kangakanani. Ukubona mozophi inkoko umqhakazo ukuthi zonke ziyabuka zithi buku wena ilo nalo ugcine sekhona inkoko engeke izithole kakhulu kunenye. Sekufana njengaloyo ke mangabe ungayibhalanga kuwili obusukuthi umnotho wakho usebenzele kanzima yonke leminyaka ufuna ukuthi awuvele ulahleke nje. Any financial planning awuzange uzuyenza, so taxman uzozenzela lapho kuyona. I-planning in terms of ukugcina kwelegacy yakho uzange uzokwenza. I-advice ukuthi labantu abathandayo khamba bezikuyofika kupha uzange uzokube khona. So what you have done, you have then allowed ukuthi umthetho must take over and then decide ukuthi who gets what ngoba kutheni. Kanti umthetho ngesinye isikhathi awuhambisani nathi. Awubheki ukuthi ingane zikadade wethu nezabafowethu ufana ukuthi ingane zami kuthiwa sibheka wena kuphela. Once kwaba khona umuntu eseshadile yonke into ingane zingekho yonke into yakuyena ukuthi khona ugogo noma umama noma kade umjane kade umbhekile abayingeni yonke lona. So ukubaleka kwewheel isuke ithi mofuna ukulana kahle kuthi rest in peace wangempela enza sure ukuthi wheel ikhona khona uzokwazi ukudistribute izinto zakho ukuthi ufuna ziye kubani kanjani ngasiphi isikhathi.
I think my biggest worry now, especially ngoba sikuleli viki of drafting wills for free, is that what happens Mr. Skakana usehleli uyezwa like gagasini ukuthi how sengahamba ngiyo drafter iwill mahala, but according to you a valid will has to be written down and each page initialed. Kodwa manje mhlawumbe ubaba uSkakane akasakwazi ukubhala, mhlawumbe usa you know he has a sickness and so he can't write, and you just said videos so what are the best ways of then doing it?
Ila sengena khona commission of oaths because there are a number of reasons why umuntu engekasakwazi ukuthi abhale khona. The only thing esukudingakala ukuze iwill ibe valid sifuna umqondo ozokwazi ukuthi ube sober. So you can't take a person who is in terminal stages ongasakwazi ukwenza lutho bese uthi ifiso zakhe ngoba uphakamisa umone mombuzo ukuthi ufuna usibani banathola indlu yini. So into esuke ithi woza sothola umuntu o commissioner of oaths ngoba yena usuke efungela. So sohamba seye kumeli umeli uyosho ukuthi in addition to lama witnesses akhona with I print yalo muntu ngoba uyasincipheza isithupha and then wonke ama pages acophaza ne page lokugcina ngiyavuma mina ukuthi wakwenza phambi kwami kwakuyifiso zakho ukuthi azibe kanjani if mhlawumbe uthola ukuthi akhona ama physical challenges anawo akwazi ukukhuluma yiphi indlela yokucommunicate khona sikwazi ukuthi siyi verify so there are a number of ways of making sure ukuthi ifiso zakhe sigcina zibhalwe phansi ephepheni kodwa leli phepha sifuna ukuthi at least kube khona some sort of markers obakhona even uma kuthiwa ukwazi ukubhala isithupha will be able to do.
Ukhuluma ngento ebalekile la ingcindezi idlala indawo engakanani and iprove kanjani ingcindezi kumuntu owenza iwill ukuthi lo mhlambe ube sabu kusocongwa o mhlambe kunento ethile asongelwe ngayo o ihamba kanjani ingcindezi uma ke ukuza kwiwill
aviba khona kodwa zikhona indlela zokuavoid khumbula ukuthi mangiyibhala iwill ngingayibhala namhlanje iwill ngiphinde ngibhale enye kusasa akusho ukuthi uyibhala kanye ngesonto noma kanye ngenyanga uline oqala obakhona lapha kwiwill uthi wonke ama-will sengengawabhala ngaphambilini they are now null and void this one or the current one is the one engizokwazi ukuthi ngiyenze so itip ngathi kulo muntu ongaphansi kwengcindezi hayibhale nje ngesikhathi usa-anda ingcindezi leyo uma usuvuka kusasa hambe komunye ummeli bese uyasho ukuthi kukhona iwill engayibhala noma ngabulani wakho oqala lo ngelanga lokuthi akuyona iwill evalid leyo because I was under pressure nayi iwill kuyona yona ngithanda ukuthi impatha zami sikwazi ihlukaniswe nga kodwa khona into ekhona ke ethumbeza engingithanda kuadvocate asingenzi ukudlula emhlabeni komuntu ikakhulukazi thina endle emnyama kube sengathi something which is taboo let's talk about it because kuyenzeka
sure
mase kwenzakalile bese siyayiqinisa indaba yokubuild noma yokuvikela kwelegacy because njoba seba secretive la umuntu mase ibhele kwiwill athi ubaba indaba engangishela ngisho ukuthi bengangithandi so wakhe inzondo indirectly within emndenini kanti kube ukuthi into esikhuluma ngayo ukwazi ukuthi hayi wena ngiyazi mfana wami ukuthi awukho good mase kuze into enje ngicela ukuthi leli business ngilinikeze omunye umuntu wena ngala ngasekhuluma no right naku wena ngizokunikeza kona kwenzela ukuthi kube into ezoba acceptable but the time sengidlule emhlabeni everyone understands the role yabo ukuthi hambizi yofika kuphi bese ukuthi asiyeke ukuhalela izinto zabanye abantu izinto zikababa ziyogcina zinjalo abanye abantu abazobenefita kuzona mina ngizakhele yami legacy engizokwazi ukuthi ngidlulisele ngisho elengane nsami
I absolutely love that.
What are the repercussions of dying without a will?
Then the law takes
especially when it comes to your life policies and also when it comes to imali zasemsebenzini and also when it comes to impatient.
Okay. Sihlukana singithanda le impatient. Without a will, Interstate Succession Act then comes in, which tells you who is going to benefit. Now it looks at who's the surviving spouses or surviving individuals that are there. So if ngishadile nginonkosikazi without ingane, everything goes to the wife. Ngicela ukucacisa la. Even if bese sihleli kwi separation nonkosikazi. Because we are married, everything goes to yena.
Even if it's a customary marriage.
Yes.
Sure.
So customary marriage defined in this ngendlela okuyona manje uvukile wahamba olobola walethelwa ngetrain agiya nenze engagement it's just that umshado no register the non registration of that umshado does not mean it's not valid
sure
so if a person dies everything goes to the wife decides because sekuyena next of kin if they decide ukuthi ngeba ngcwabele egama lakhe bafuna ukungcwabele Limpopo the wife will decide that because I didn't leave a will so bese iyabheka is a spouse and kids sinikeza bona kuqala if there's no spouse or kids then bese siyaphezulu sesiyobhekela oma nobaba ukuthi bathi ingane zikadade wethu benginaka azingene ingane ezi mhlambe zobazala bami ekuthola beyihlala ngaphansi kwami since azingeni azibikhona ake sichaze ke kodwa le yempesheni is separate from the deceased estate. That depends the sector ukuthi i-pension fund ama-rules akhona thini njenge-stokfela so i-stokfela abantu abayikhethelayo ukuthi sohlukanisa ngoNovember ngoDisemba noma ngoJanuary same thing happens with impesheni so yiko uzothola impesheni izothi we are not looking esector umuntu beshadile sifuna ukubheka i-dependency so if is check ukuthi abantu aba-dependent ingane zakho ziyasebenza sonke kodwa ithi umama omncane kade usomtholile who is dependent on you the money may go to umama omncane because bona bathi we do not conform with what legislation of umuntu seke sedlulile emhlabeni thina so yiko kubalekile emsebenzini akuhamba ufike ubheke ngibhale bani lapha empeshenini ngiyenze kwaba clear yini ukuthi imali yami ngifuna ukuthi ayiye kubani. Do I even understand the rules akusetshenzwa ngawo la kule mpesheni ukuthi makuthiwa sihlukanisa impahla zethu sihlukanisa kanjani? That's what is important. If you don't do that, then zobani inkinga.
Sisikhulumile la about dying without a will. What happens now in that instance, especially with regards to pension yakho, with regards to amafa akho, your estate, and also with life policy? I think life policy buwangathinti yona.
Life policy is a bit different because when usuyikhethela ukuthi ufuna ukuthi ayiye kubani. It's very rare where the person othatha kubona underwriter ngeke azasho ukuthi khetha. But ngithi ke awube clever in terms of that life policy. Once you've done a will, there are 3 things that need to accompany it. One, funeral cover. Sifuna ukuthatha singcwabe ngendlela ufuna singcwabe ngayo. Esibili, life cover yokuqala which takes care of the expenses. Remember, once you've died, it's a file transfer umuzi. If umuzi ungaphansi ungaphezulu kwa 1.5 million, you're expecting not less than 15,000 in transfer fees. Who's going to pay for that? Sure. The life policy number 1 will take care of that. My expenses are mine. Le statue ngibiza ngo peace of mind. Yona ilozo nikeza bona specifically abantu bakho, it's your wife, it's your kids, omzala obani, side chicks if you have, khona uzokwazi ukuthi ube covered. Kwenzela ukuthi isikhathi sesaqhubeka ne estate yakho la thina siyazi ukuthi no banayo imali yokufunda esikoleni abana inkinga ngeke baze babe stuck anyway. There's nothing which is more painful when a person uzodlula mhlambe this time of the year come to January ngane file yongena esikoleni ayikwazi ukuthi ngene, you haven't completed the estate khona kusakhona okuningi ukushodayo othola ukuthi siyakweleta, and there's one person uzofika once usuqeda ukwenza yonke into azonokho and take away all the money, SARS. So file your tax returns. If you haven't filed them, rest assured usari uzobuya masuqedile athi uzikalala bengikoleta ama tax returns ngiyithatha yonke le mali unishayile nomuzi ngiyawuthatha ushayile nama shares ngiyawuthatha.
If SARS is able to do that at the time of my death, then there must be some sort of benefits of the tax benefits of having a will. Because if you're going to come and take my money, atina ma benefits of then having a will.
It's because you are then able to calculate prior ukuthi estate duty when it comes to these things izobangakanani. We kuma assets now kuzokwenzakalani, which is why it's also important ukuthi will yakho njalo mhlawumbe after 6 months depending how hectic you are in accumulation of wealth and assets, go and for a review khona uzobona ukuthi kungabe lama tools enginawo eceleni asakwazi ukuthi angicover in terms of law my expenses. But if unomuntu ozokubhalela professionally hayi le uyithengayo lapha yana ngoba lo uyithenge lapha yana akakwazi ukuthi akuchazele kahle ama tax implications akhona ukuthi athini, and then uzobusuka yakwazi ukuhlukanisa kahle ukuthi hayike ngoko tax ngicovered la ayi ngizokwazi ukuthi ngithole ngokudingayo.
One more on my side, based on what you're saying, where is it better to get my will done, at the bank noma ngekummeli straight?
Not at the bank.
Okay.
The bank will give it to you for free because babhekelwa 3.5% of my assets akho. Problem number 1. Problem number 2, they're not going to advise you bathi hey mini Felix naku kuzobonakala la siyazi thina ukuthi siphila kanjani ngokweculture ubone ukuthi ukuphi la uzolungisa khona. Ask anyone on a will yakhe ebhale bank ubone ukuthi ama troubles anawo ngakanani, angisho ukuthi ngiyabala.
Sesebeshonile nje.
Oh my gosh,
laba basele.
You touched on legacy.
Yes.
Which is very important.
Yes.
Say you leave, your estate to so and so.
Yes.
And that so and so is still young and still looking to get married and become Mrs. Ngobo.
Yes.
And now, what about your legacy? Can you stipulate in your will to say, once you've been found by another and once you're spoken for by another, then this is what will happen to this particular estate?
In fact, it's a standard clause esifakayo ukuthi ngokushayela kona will form part of a marital property yakho because angifuni ihlangane nento eseceleni. But my experience has been that legacy building, yes, it is important for it to be on paper, but its practice esuke sikhona la ekhaya. So asi understand it ukuthi umnotho wethu usugcina kanjani ngokwelegacy yethu. You can even put it ama clauses awu2. Khona yokuqala is in a slated term to use a fract that says the ownership belongs to someone, but ama fruits are loyo property noma lo establishment esuke sikhona go to somebody else. Enye sibize ngefideicommisum yona esuke ithi
yabona ke le look is fideicommisum.
In banana?
Fideicommisum.
Fido.
Yeah.
Yona ethi you would leave the property A to one generation. Sure. But they're not allowed to buy distributing ngokuthanda kwabo, must go down ama generations ukuze kufike egcineni. So I can live for something for umzukulu manje ngithi ayidayiswa le property
Sure.
cabanga ke mawufuna ukwakha ikhaya elikhulu uzosho ukuthi alihambe lekhaya elikhulu elikhona will always remain there. It's just that it will pass ownership for others ukuze bakwazi ukuthi bayithole na.
Iningi le ndiyadinga ukuthi sihlale phansi na mhlambe siyi-podcast futhi nayo
Yes.
and sinesikhathi singaphuthumi kanje, but thank you so much.